Hello there, it's Lenny McGill with the GlockStore Performance and Custom Shop here in our fantastic Nashville studios. And today we're going to talk about FDE. One of the hottest things in firearms now is a different color than black. And the 19X is a good example of that. So we've had a lot of people who buy the 19X and say, well, gosh, can I get other things to match that FDE color? And so the answer is yes. We've come up with some neat features here that I want to show you to help you match your 19X, as well as build a custom gun with some of these FDE features. So the 19X is kind of that bronze brown FDE type color, right? Okay, so what we have now been able to do is to make barrels, factory barrels, in the same color. Pretty cool. As well as the ramjet in FDE, also very cool. The extended controls in FDE. We have our limited edition MDT, magazine disassembly tool, in FDE. Now these are numbered and really, like I said, very limited. We did 100 of them. So we numbered them 0 to 100, 1 to 100. And the FDE helps you take your magazine apart. It's very easy. You go ahead and you just pop it in there and just torque it off like a can opener. Boom, just like that. So now we've got it open. I just go ahead and push it down a little bit, and I get access to the spring, get access to the insert plate, the follower, the whole thing. If I want to change magazine base plates or whatever, the MDT is a valuable tool because it just works, okay? It's one of the best ones, if not the best one on the market. And now available in a limited edition FDE, which turned out really, really good. Now I want to show you something else that I think is pretty cool in this FDE concept, because we're taking factory parts as well as aftermarket parts and we're getting them in the FDE. And so we did some sights. Check these suppressor sights out in FDE. So a lot of people with the 19X said, hey, I really want this whole thing to be FDE. And I will tell you that we have some of the original metal MOS cover plates that will also be available in the FDE. So everything is coming together here at the GlockStore. We've got this FDE thing kind of in a big way. We're going to have a lot of our parts and pieces available in the FDE finish. And right now, like I said, this is the limited edition. There's only 100 of these, and we're not going to do many more. We'll go ahead and kind of retire that for a while because we just thought it looked so good. We do make the MDT in the standard red, of course. That's the original. But we did a limited run of this just to see how it turned out on aluminum, and it really looks great. It matches up with the slide and everything just perfectly. So we're really happy with the FDE finish, and I think you will be too. And like I said, if there's a part or a piece that you're looking to do in FDE, let us know. And we'll make it happen. It could be a custom order or not. But the ramjets, we're going to have these on sale here probably within the next 3 or 4 days, but it'll be a pre-order because we're going to go ahead and do a big batch of them and send them off to the FDE and have them come back. And it usually takes about 4 or 5 weeks to go ahead and get them. So if you're looking for some fun stuff in FDE, you want to do some fun colors for your particular Glock, this is, of course, the GlockStore. I'm Lenny McGill. Thanks for watching. And we hope to see you here in Nashville sometime. So remember, we are just 2 miles from the airport. So if you're visiting Nashville, you have to come see us. And ask for me. I'll come out and take a picture and say hello. And I'd love to meet you. Love all the customers who come in here. We've got a great crowd of local customers. But, man, we do get a lot of people in and out of the town who are coming and gone. And we really appreciate you dropping by to say hello. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.